tired of confusing, complicated pricing structures that make you feel like you need a degree in finance just to figure out what your phone system is going to cost? What if you're a small business owner, a solopreneur, or a growing enterprise trying to find the perfect communication solution? You've heard of RingCentral, a leader in unified communications, but you're probably wondering, how much does RingCentral actually cost? Well, today we're breaking it all down for you. We're going to dive deep into RingCentral's pricing plans, features, hidden fees, and even compare it to some of its biggest competitors. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of whether RingCentral is the right fit for your budget and your business needs. First things first, it's crucial to know that RingCentral's pricing is based on a per-user, per-month model. The more users you have, the more you pay. The price also changes depending on whether you choose to be billed annually or monthly. Choosing an annual plan will save you a good chunk of change, so that's something to keep in mind. RingCentral has 3 main plans for its RingEX service, which is their flagship offering that combines phone, video, and messaging. Let's start with the most basic option, the Core plan. This plan is designed for small businesses and is your entry point into the RingCentral ecosystem. Annually, it'll run you about $20 per user per month. If you prefer to pay month to month, that price jumps to $30 per user. So what do you get for that? The Core plan gives you the fundamental tools you need to run your business communications. This includes unlimited calls within the US and Canada, team messaging, and video meetings for up to 100 participants. You also get a business phone number, voicemail to text, and a few other essentials like call management features. It's a solid starting point for a small team, but it's important to note some of its limitations. The included SMS messages and toll-free minutes are capped, which could lead to extra fees if your usage is high. Integrations are also limited to Google and Microsoft, so if you need to connect to a CRM like Salesforce, you'll need to upgrade. That brings us to the next tier, the Advanced plan. This is the sweet spot for many growing businesses. The Advanced plan costs $25 per user per month when billed annually, or $35 a month-to-month basis. For that price increase, you get everything in the Core plan plus some serious upgrades. The big additions here are automatic call recording, advanced call monitoring, and multi-level IVR, which is that automated menu that routes callers to different departments. You also get access to popular CRM integrations like Salesforce and Zendesk, making it a much more powerful tool for sales and support teams. The Advanced plan also increases your pooled toll-free minutes and gives you more SMS/MMS messages per user. Finally, we have the Ultra plan, which is RingCentral's top-tier offering, built for large enterprises and businesses that have a high volume of communication needs. The Ultra plan will cost you $35 per user per month annually, or $45 monthly. With Ultra, you get everything from the Advanced plan and then some. The key features here are unlimited file and message storage, video meetings for up to 200 participants, and much more robust analytics and device alerts. The Ultra plan is where you unlock the full power of the RingCentral platform, and it's an excellent choice for a company that relies heavily on its communication system for day-to-day operations. But here's the thing you have to be careful about: add-ons and additional costs. This is where the price can start to climb. If you need a vanity number, which is a number like 1-800-FLOWERS, that's a one-time fee of about $30. Additional local or toll-free numbers are around $5 a month. International calling packages are another separate cost. If you need a license for a RingCentral room, which is for video conferencing in a physical meeting space, that's another $49 per room per month. You can also purchase a webinar add-on for your virtual events, which starts at around $40 per organizer per month. These costs can add up quickly, so you need to be very clear about what you need before you sign up. Now, you might be thinking, what about a free option? RingCentral does offer a 15-day free trial on its RingEX plans, but it's limited to a maximum of 5 users and doesn't include SMS. There is also a free version of RingCentral Video, which gives you unlimited video meetings for up to 100 participants, and free team messaging, which is pretty generous. However, it's not a full-fledged business phone system. It's more of a video conferencing tool that's a nice perk to have. So, how does RingCentral stack up against the competition? Well, it's generally considered to be on the pricier side compared to some alternatives like Zoom Phone or Nextiva. However, RingCentral's strength lies in its comprehensive, all-in-one platform. While other services might offer a great video tool or a fantastic phone system, RingCentral aims to be the unified hub for all your business communications, and for many businesses, that convenience and reliability are worth the extra cost. In conclusion, RingCentral offers a scalable solution with tiered pricing to fit a variety of business sizes. The core plan at $20 a user per month annually is a great starting point for small businesses. The advanced plan at $25 is perfect for growing teams that need more features like call recording and CRM integrations. And the Ultra plan at $35 a user annually provides an enterprise-grade solution for large companies. Just be mindful of those additional costs for add-ons that can increase your monthly bill. The key is to carefully assess your business needs and choose the plan that gives you the right mix of features without paying for things you won't use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.